All right, to get started with the CityScoop app, you just go to the App Store. Turning on my touch, that's what that is. So you can see, open up your App Store if you're on iOS, or the Play Store if you're on Android. Click on the search icon and just search for CityScoop. You can see we are right there. It's in the business class. There's another CityScoop as an entertainment company overseas. So there's two apps in there. Make sure you get the CityScoop business app. Go ahead and download it. And open the app. It'll ask you to allow notifications. Go ahead and click allow. You can always disable notifications easily once you open up the app, and there's only one notification by default that reminds you to post an article on Thursday at 10 a.m. local time, and that's only if you haven't posted an article that week. If you have, you won't get the notification. The notification is also editable too, so you can change which time of day that one comes on, or just turn it right off. So if you plan on using other notifications that you do want to get, we suggest allowing them. You can create your own notifications and reminders, and you'll have full control of that. So go ahead and to log in, use the username and password that you were provided. It should be the first letter of your first name and then your last name, along with the password. You can click Remember Me and then go ahead and log in. Looks like I had my password wrong. If that happens to you, go ahead and double check. On the first time opening the app, you will see the terms and conditions page. You can go ahead and scroll all the way through, or you can select accept down here to get to the next step. On the very first time you launch the app, you'll also be redirected to a settings page. You'll notice that the app does load a little bit slow, but it should save a lot of time in the end and help you to access a lot of valuable information, helping to grow your business online. So fill in the various fields: first name, and last name, and your company name. And it's only for your own purposes, but if you want to make sure you title everything or capitalize everything, you can. The call rail this line here, call rail ID, you can skip that for now. That'll be input later for you on a training call once we assign you a phone number that you can use for tracking. And you can add your logo, but if you want, you can add your logo either by just taking a picture of it, say on your business card, or if you have a file of your logo on your phone. And you can also just email your logo to yourself and access it through your phone and save it locally, is one way to get it to your phone if you don't already have it there. And then just click Save. At the very least, just enter your name and your company name. This map should zoom down and land a pin on the city or general area where you're located, as you are a local news provider from that area. And once it logs in, you'll get a tip of the day, which will rotate. And you can take a look at these just to get some quick tips on how to better use the app, or any other kind of new information that we want to get out to our clients. That might be little tips that you can do. Since the internet's always evolving, this is a great place where we're going to try to keep adding new things for you. So you can Close that out. From here, you hit on the home screen and you're logged in. The next thing to cover is just how to navigate. At the bottom here, you'll see there's a right button, camera, home, checklist, and reports. Those are our five main pages. But you can also access the full navigation menu up here in the left. If you tap on the three lines, you can see there's also a training page, a glossary, and a settings page, which we're going to get into in the next videos.